Epic Flight Academy has been involved in training aviation professionals for over 20 years and values the students who complete our wide variety of courses. We value the relationship we have with our students and strive to create an environment that is conducive to learning while having students who are looking to help and support one another throughout the entire program. Epic is thrilled to partner with the Organization of Black Aerospace Professionals and is offering a $20,000 scholarship to one of its members. This is an exciting opportunity to begin a career in a hands-on work environment with thousands of entry-level jobs available upon graduation. The A&P certification leaves graduates with the opportunity to work repairing helicopters and aircraft, working for revolutionary companies like NASA and SpaceX, or even working on popular attractions at major theme parks. Joining our aircraft mechanic program will embark you on a fulfilling journey with numerous job possibilities that will last a lifetime. We are excited to watch your career unfold and welcome you into our Epic family.